Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to offer free shipping on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Alright, so first up, let's go ahead over to settings right here at the bottom left. Just click on it and then just wait for this left panel to load. Once it loads, go ahead over to shipping and delivery. Let's say, for example, you already have your shipping profiles, but by the way, if you don't have it yet, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We've got a ton of videos for you, but specifically, you can go to check the video called how to set up shipping on Shopify. Okay, go to check our channel out. Now, say, for example, we're just going to go ahead and use this custom shipping and delivery option, for example, for fragile products. Now, when we go ahead and scroll all the way down, as you can see, we can go ahead and add in shipping options. So just click on the plus sign and then just wait for this pop-up to load. Once it loads, for example, you have standard shipping right here. The rate right here, should it be flat or whatever? Let's say flat. And the shipping cost would be maybe 500 pesos. And then the date or transit time, maybe 5 to 8 business days, because we're just using standard. Now, when you go ahead and scroll down, you can offer free shipping right here, but there will be a minimum amount. So what's the minimum amount? Maybe 20,000 pesos. Okay. Now, if you're happy with that, finally, you can just go ahead and click on the done button at the very top. And then once done, you're good to go. And that is how you offer free shipping with the discount code on Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.